You just lost a gunfight. You should have won. Your aim was pixel perfect. Your reaction was instant, but your screen betrayed you. It's a frustrating reality for anyone trying to climb the ranks in high-stakes competitive shooters. Most people want their screens to look beautiful with vibrant colors and deep blacks. But for a professional esports player, beauty is a distraction. They want speed. They want clarity. They want to see a moving target before the other player even knows they are there. This is where the latest high-speed flagship monitor from the Pro Circuit Kings comes into play. It's a 24-inch beast that tosses out the fancy bells and whistles to focus on pure, raw performance. We are talking about a 360 Hz refresh rate. That is an incredible amount of frames hitting your eyes every single second. It makes the motion look like liquid. When you are flicking your mouse across the pad, the image doesn't turn into a blurry mess. It stays sharp. It stays readable. This specific model uses a specialized bass panel technology that many people claim is outdated. They say these types of panels are dead, but they are wrong. For competitive play, these panels still offer some of the lowest response times you can find. It's about eliminating that ghostly trail that follows enemies when they run past a doorway. This monitor goes even further with a proprietary motion blur reduction technology. This new system is designed to make moving targets stay crisp during intense firefights. Think about those moments where everything is exploding and you are spinning your camera. Usually, the world becomes a smear. With this tech, the enemy's silhouettes stay defined. You can track them through the chaos. Then there's the color filtering. It isn't meant to make a sunset look pretty. It is tuned to make player models pop against the background. It helps you see through heavy visual effects like smoke or flashbang recovery. They also included a feature that brightens up dark corners without blowing out the highlights. If a camper is hiding in a shadowy corner, they are going to stand out. The hardware itself is just as focused. You get those iconic side shields to block out distractions in a room. The stand is fully adjustable so you can get the height exactly where your neck feels most comfortable. It even comes with a dedicated remote puck to change settings on the fly without fumbling for buttons behind the screen. You get modern high bandwidth ports and support for variable refresh rates. But let's be honest about what this is. This is a specialized tool. If you want to watch high-end movies, you will probably hate this screen. The colors won't have that cinematic punch. The viewing angles aren't wide. It's built for one thing and one thing only: winning. It's for the person who values a tiny fraction of a second advantage over a billion extra colors. It's a premium investment for a specific type of player. You are paying for the engineering that keeps the image stable when the game gets frantic. For most casual players, this might be overkill. But if you live and breathe competitive shooters, this is the gold standard. It's about removing every single barrier between your brain and the game. When every frame counts, you don't want a screen that prioritizes a pretty picture over your success. You want a screen that moves as fast as you do. This is a specialized weapon for the digital arena. It is about the feeling of complete control over your crosshair. It is about confidence. When you peek a corner, you need to know exactly what you are looking at. This display provides that clarity. It is not for everyone, but for the few who need it. Nothing else compares. It is about making sure that the next time you pull the trigger, the result is decided by your skill, not by your equipment.